Dear listeners, today we shall learn about diary entry. So, your teacher wants you to write a diary entry, and you all must be thinking, what is a diary entry? Well, let me help you. A diary entry is a piece of writing which retells events that have happened to the writer. They are written in the time order and the events are dated. Writers reflect on what has happened and consider their own feelings. So, you all must be thinking how to write a diary entry. Well, on top left side, you have to write date, day, leave one line, then write down time. Usually, the time is written as 9 pm or after 9 pm. This is because you have to enter the feelings and your emotions regarding incidents or events that have happened throughout the day. Then write Dear Diary. Consider diary as your best friend so that you can share all your feelings with diary. Begin the diary entry by describing the day or momentary feelings. How did you feel? While writing further, you have to discuss an event and your feelings related to that event. What is your future course of action? Conclude with a final remark. And don't forget to write your name at the end. This is the exact format for diary entry. It is for your better understanding. On the left corner, day and date, leave a line blank. Then write down time. Again leave a line blank. Write down Dear Diary. We are leaving lines after every step so as to distinguish one step from the other. While writing body of the diary entry, you have to discuss the events or incidents in detail. Don't forget to write your name at the end. For better understanding how to write the body of the diary entry, let's have a look. Write an opening paragraph that has an introduction built into it. Think about who, where, when, of any incident, etc. The body of diary entry has usually only 2 paragraphs. They are written as a series of events in time order. In time order means they have to be written according to the time they happened. If one incident has happened earlier, you have to mention it earlier than the other incident. While writing closing paragraph, write a comment about how you felt about your experiences and why. Again, make sure to include your feelings. Dear listeners, diary entry is something very personal. You have to give it a personal touch always. There are few things to remember. Make an opening paragraph including some WH words like what happened, how did it happen, when did it happen, where did it take place. A body which includes a series of events or incidents in time order. A conclusion which includes a comment about how you felt about your experiences and why. Dear listeners, few more tips which you have to take into your consideration. Diary entry is always written in first person. It means you have to use words like I, me, my. It is not to be written in passive voice. It should be written in past tense because the things, events, incidents you are discussing, They have already taken place. The next is use of note form. It means you need not go into too much detail of any incident. Use of powerful verbs, adjectives, and adverbs will make your diary entry look beautiful and impressive. Your language while writing diary entry should be quite informal and everyday words should be used because you are talking to your diary, who is no less than your best friend. Frequent use of exclamations in your diary entry will make your diary entry look impressive. I hope following these tips and ideas you will come out with a beautiful piece of diary entry. Thanks for watching.